now we will see the part 4, point number 17. Up to point number 16, the first page is completed. First page 3 slot we completed in the brochure. So now we see point number 17. We want second page, we want to erase everything. That's what they given. Clear? We want to erase the information. So that we can go and we can give the information here. So where I want to go, here I am going. So I will erase all the things. I change the background also. Here I will remove, here I will remove. Everything as usual. Select it, delete. Delete button. Press delete button in the keyboard. Delete button in the keyboard. Delete it, delete it, delete it, delete it, delete it. Everything you delete it. Clear? Background color I want to change. How to background color? Because as per the things it is given background color. It is not border, it is a background color only. So I want to insert the background color. So I will go here, insert background color, insert what page design, page design, background color, more background color, solid fill, colors. In the colors I will go tints, base color. I'll go more color, brown. I'll select brown, whatever it may be. I'll select OK. Here I say 50%. Previously we given 50%. So the same thing I will give 50%. OK. This is a color is coming. I think here there is one text box is there. This is what. This page I created. The same page like first page. You see first page and this page. And this is what we created here. So what is the second point for this? Insert the location picture and resize it. Shape, outline, blue and weight this one. Location picture. Here you see location picture. I want to put it here. And I want to type it what? I want to type it here. The location picture, resize blue, and then you want to give insert address and phone, email information, size 12. This information I want to do it. So how I'll do it? Go here. Insert. Go to insert, picture. Location picture is available. I'll go and check location picture is available. I'll go the location picture. Here I will check the location pictures. Location picture. Can you see location picture? Where you are saved this exercise file, that folder, all the images are available. So insert it. This is my location. Here I want to click the picture. Resize the picture. Clearly resize the picture. This is what my location picture. What is the other one they given? Shape, outline, blue, weight 2 by 1 by 4. So what I want to do is shape, outline, blue. This shape, format, picture. This is whatever it may be. Not shape outline, picture outline it is. Picture outline I want to give picture border. Weight as 2 1 by 4. Color is what? Blue. Can you see this way I did? So there is wrong here. Actually this is not shape outline. I want to do here what? I want to do it picture outline. Picture outline blue, and then insert address and phone and email information size 12 in the text box. This is what I will do. The text box. This way I can change the information. So I can change the information. So I can change this one. How I do it? I'll go here. Insert one text box, shapes, text box. I want to insert the phone number or whatever it may be. Previously it is there. No, same thing I will copy and paste it. Unnecessarily I don't type it. Here you see. It is already available here. You see here. The phone number, address, everything is there. I'll copy. Go here. I'll paste it. Everything. Clear? I'll paste it here. Make it as 12 point. They said 12 point. Yes, 12 point it is. Clear or not? Where they placed, you see here in the picture where they are place this particular picture, you can see here. Here they can put it. So what I do is here I can put it the picture. In the picture you can see. So the same manner I will put it here. maybe if you want to give phone number separately like this. Clear? This is what my second, fourth part. So fourth part, the second page, the first panel I did like this. Clear or not? Everyone is clear? So this is what our fourth tutorial, fourth part of tutorial of brochure. How to insert picture, how to give the picture outline, and then in the text box how to insert the address. These are all the things we see.